Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs and then fix it upward using this hair clip. Now take the hairs from the down, roll it and fix them on the alternative sides like this. Now tie all the hairs on the top and roll it down, fix it using the bun pin and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Now tie it from the between, roll it upward and fix it using this hair clutch and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs, rotate it like this. After rotating it, we will tie all the hairs together using a rubber band. After that, we will fold it from the between like this upward and fix it using the hair bun pin and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs like this, roll it using the fingers on the top and fix it using this bun pin and your bun is ready. Next, we will put this hair clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix one by one on the hair clips. Now your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and fix it in the half as shown in the video. After that, tie it from the end and roll it upward and fix it to make a bun using the hair clips and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.